Hi, I'm Ashley from the Loopy Lamb, and thanks so much for stopping by my channel. Today, we're going to be unboxing my June 2020 KnitCrate. Okay, so I just got my June 2020 KnitCrate. It came a little later than ones I previously received because of COVID-19. So I'm a little later than normal getting it posted. Let's take a look at what we've got. And I really like this purple color. Looks like we've got like a purple tonal color. And we've got a ring of sewing pins. Because I do amigurumi, these are always handy. I never have enough of those. Kind of like stitch markers. And we've got a card. Says June 2020 getaway. Couldn't we all use one right now, all being stuck at home? Says this month's theme is getaway. Sensory delight awaits on every horizon. Rich spices and strong painted hues mingle with softer clay, stone, and alabaster. The yarns and patterns in your KnitCrate membership or Sock Crate membership will whisk you off on a dreamy yarn getaway. This month we partnered with Tony Lipsy of TL Yarn Crafts. Tony is a phenomenal designer and educator specializing in crochet in Tunisian crochet. So it goes on to talk about what kind of things that Tony designs. Absolutely beautiful stuff. And you can see here that there's a picture of the cover of what would be the pattern book, but it is available via a download link on the card. And so let's take a look at this yarn. My daughter is going to go crazy for this. She's huge into purple. And it's TL Yarn Crafts, Audun Wool by KnitCrate and Interlock. So it says this is the colorway Haze. It's 34% cotton, 35% linen, 19% lyocell, 11% nylon. And each hank has 351 yarns to a 100 gram hank. It's machine washable in the gentle cycle, and you have to lay it flat to dry. So as with the cotton, it's definitely got that cottony feel. It's hard for me to describe, but it is still very soft. I love the differences in the purples here, and I'm excited to see how this will work up. And so obviously you can see it came with the two hanks, and then we've got the sewing pins. I'm assuming that this is going to be a Tunisian crochet pattern that comes this month, and I'm relatively new to that, so I'm excited to give it a shot. But just because we can, let's open it up and see what this hank looks like. If you haven't tried KnitCrate before, if you wait to the end of the video, I have a discount code for my viewers from KnitCrate where you can save 20% off your first KnitCrate. All right. So here's the hank open up. And you can kind of see that we've got some lighter shades here, some little odd spots of dark here in the end, and then moves up to your darker shades and then back into light and dark mixed together. But it's almost kind of looks like a dip dye, but it's not. And so the yarn itself is a chainette construction, which I absolutely love. I love chainette. So I'm interested to see the stitch definition that we get from this. But cotton and linen blend, great for summer. So I'm going to look forward to wearing my new shawl that I make with this. So if you are new to KnitCrate, you can try out KnitCrate for the first time and save 20% on your first KnitCrate. Oops, I did that wrong. By using the code LOOPY20. Thanks for watching this unboxing. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks again for watching, happy hooking, and I'll see you next time.